Guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are doing another unboxing. Right now, what is that? Anyway, so this box contains what's it called? It contains Vulture rubber keycaps, 18 keycap sets, and it came in a big box. You're probably wondering why it came in a big box, but it came in a huge box because it also came with something else that, you know, that's kind of big. So anyway, enough of the talking, let's get right unboxing. Okay. Now yeah, I did already open this because there's like something else was in there and it was like huge, so I had to see what's inside. Alrighty guys, so here it is, the Vulture 18-piece rubber keycaps. Now it does come in this little baggie, so let's kind of open this up. Here are the keycaps. Oh, there is something else. I think it's a keycap puller. Yep. There's a not really that good of a keycap puller. Personally, I use mine. It's the same thing, but this one's just kind of thicker. Now these plastic ones are pretty bad. So it does get the job done, but I don't recommend getting these. So here are the keycaps, as you guys can see. Now these are purple, and these might look good on my white Royal Clutch RK61. And yeah, let's open this and I'll show you guys the keycaps. Alright guys, so now we got it all on. Now these do look pretty nice. Let me turn on the lights. Yeah, these are shine through, and dude, that just looks really nice. Feels really nice too. It has a really good grip. Now the printing, I would say the printing is pretty good. It's a little bit bigger than regular keycaps, but they do, other than the bigger text, they are pretty good. Now for the ZXCV keys, I just put them as the arrow keys: up, left, right, and down arrow key. I don't know which one would look better, I, J, K, and L, or these. Here, let me put them on here and then I'll see what they look like. This actually does look pretty nice, but I kind of prefer it on here, so I'll switch it back. Now, like I said, these are really good, and these are actually a lot quieter. And this keyboard switch is MX Blue, so here are the sound. So basically, the regular keycaps on this keyboard sound like this, and the rubber keycaps sound like this. So they are a little bit quieter since they're rubber, but yeah, these actually really sound good. Like, they sound actually way better than my regular keycaps. And the purple and white and blue, it kind of looks pretty good. And later on, I'm gonna get an upgrade to a Ducky 1 Mini soon, hopefully. So yeah. And also on here, it does not have the functions and what other symbols it does. So if you don't know it, then you might need to search it up. But yeah, let's go on a typing test, and you guys can hear what it sounds like. these really sound good, and these are like a reprint of the Tahoes, the Tahoe or Tahoe, I don't know how to say it, but the Tahoe rubber keycaps on Amazon. Now these actually, I've never tried the Tahoes, but like these just feel really high quality, and some people, if they're really unlucky, it kind of breaks like a lot, or kind of gets destroyed after like a few months. But you know, other than that, it looks pretty nice. The link will be in my description below for these. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to smash that like button, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Asian Swift team. And if you guys have the time, make sure to follow my Instagram, or my social medias, my Instagram. And yeah, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check these out, check these rubber keycaps out. These are really nice. And yeah, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.